So we are at Sprouts and trying to get some stuff. And Anaya is helping me. Do you need like mixed nuts?
Yeah, mixed nuts.
Hold on. I'm gonna tell you which one are we gonna get. Because I have to make sure there's no gelatin in it. Anything gummy is gonna have gelatin in it.
Look at these.
Now read the ingredients. This one has gelatin for sure.
Organic dark? No, we don't eat dark chocolate.
Doesn't really have a lot of. This one has like almonds.
Oh, let's just try yogurt pretzel.
Okay, no, don't touch it. If you want it, I'll take it out.
Yogurt, I will take it out.
What?
I'm not yogurt pretzel. Yogurt pretzel.
I just need 3 of them. She's being my little helper.
Oh, my tootie,
Honeydew is on that side.
Honeydew. Which one do I have to?
This one.
This one. Oh,
You're struggling. Do you want me to help you or you got this?
Hey, no, I need, never mind.
Are you sure? Not the green ones? They have red ones too or there?
We don't eat red ones. Get it?
Yes.
I will put it down here.
He has milk in his mouth and he's not drinking it up. That's crazy. Let me get some peaches and then we're out of here, okay? Get the ones that are softer. He still has milk in his mouth. Okay, put it in.
Him, not to me. No intending for my tootie. Tuta tuya. Want to see the head?
I just got back into the car. We were at Sprouts. It's like 100 degrees outside. So hot. Anaya helped me with picking up the fruits and stuff. It's 100 degrees?
You that watch this kidding.
Watch this, kidding. Why are you always promoting your channel? You have like 0 subscribers, Anaya.
I have subscribers. What about Hadia?
Oh yeah, you have Hadia. Okay, yeah, she does have 1 subscriber and she's amazing. So, and I think you have 2 more. Shiroz Bhai and Nashra Bhaji.
Yeah.
Anyway, so now we're heading to Target, right? We're heading to Target and we're gonna get some stuff over there.
Mama.
Okay, and we're gonna get some
Amanya's
stuff.
gonna get in the trolley again.
Yeah, and I look like a hottest
Ooh la
mess ever.
la.
My glasses are
Ooh la
ugly,
la.
but who cares?
And Amanya's
Let's go to
gonna
Target.
Go to the trolley. And he has a treasure chest. Bye bye. I'm taking this.
He is definitely a smart kid.
He's famous too.
We're not getting it.
Lots of things of him.
We're not getting any of the toys. You know that, right?
At least
Shark doo-doo. Okay, if that drops, you know you're gonna have to pay for it. I'm not.
golden accessories.
I don't see any golden accessories. So, I like this headband. It's cute. It's really nice, by the way.
Anaya, we found this with Nano. We found this with Mama. I got those. Oh, wow.
Let's see if they have anything on the other side, or we're gonna have to go somewhere else. It's not gonna look good with the dress. Why are we buying the jewelry, by the way? Oh my god. So this brings us to the end of our vlog. We are so tired, as you can tell by our faces. Everybody has already bathed. We're ready for the bed. I hope you guys liked our day. We're waiting for our Baba, but we're already done for the day. So I really hope you guys liked our day. And if you want to watch more vlogs like this,
please subscribe. Wait, Manya. Please subscribe and like and share. Please subscribe to GlowBySana. To Desi Kitty.
no, to GlowBySana, not to Desi Kitty. Desi Kitty is their channel, by the way.